Seven healthy habits. Sama-sama sa wellness. Tara! Sama-sama sa wellness. It's time for wellness. Sama-sama sa tara! Sama-sama sa wellness. Pilipinas, bagong umaga naging pa sa'yo sigla. Healthy habits, make sure to practice tayo ang tita. Tara na't sumama. Kaibigan at nasa kabarangay, pati na ang buong pamilya.
Okay, pataw. Sige. Sige pa, tuwas. Kayo yang hiling. Yan. Nagiwasi. Okay.
Sama-sama sa wellness. Sama-sama sa wellness. Never forget healthy habits. When you see right, malusog na Pinas, that's a dream. Right, let's make it work. Sama-sama, that's right. The road to wellness. Sama-sama nating tahakin. Make healthy habits your priority. Keep yourself healthy for the family. Kumain ng sapat, tawagin ang lahat. We can have fun together in the sun. Take care of the planet. Kaya natin yan.
Smile. Smile. Luwas tingaw. Yan.
Seven healthy habits. Seven healthy habits. Here we go. Sama-sama sa wellness. Pagkain na tama. Proper portions. Uminom ng gatas. Para kumain ng sama-sama. Libahe. Take care of the planet. Practice proper hygiene. Seven healthy habits. Sama-sama sa wellness.
Siya na, galaw.